You can gain entrance to La Villita from the Riverwalk. Here's the map. Now we are here at 10:30 a.m. on a Sunday, so I don't know if everything will be, if anything will be open or busy, but we're just gonna take a look around. It's unfortunately our last day here in San Antonio. We have a cafe over there. Plaza Nacional. Oh, there's a view of the tower. This little cafe and coffee bar. They have some lovely ladies sitting out front here. La Gloria. And over here's a lovely gentleman. Does he have a name? Nope, just strumming. He does have a nice mustache though. Jewelry. Another restaurant and bar with some outdoor seating. Oh, and there's the welcome sign, La Villita. Shops, art, and dining. And as I mentioned before, La Villita is right on the Riverwalk. Oh, I think they're doing like a photo shoot. Should we go the other way? When we were up in the Tower of the Americas the other day, we saw a big circular building, and it's right here, so it's part of La Villita. It's the theater. And here's all the stairs to get up to La Villita, right off of the Riverwalk, here in San Antonio. Right at the bottom here is Cafe Ole, fajitas y margaritas, and up top is Lone Star Cafe, where we ate dinner the other night with the 60-ounce margarita. And right across is the Republic of Texas. And a nice thing, almost all the places have their menus displayed. At night this place is really busy, but it's beautiful to just walk around right now and take a look at all the restaurants before they're all filled up. I believe this is called Restaurant Row, I overheard somebody say, because all of the restaurants are right here in this section of Riverwalk. And this is where we stayed for the most part during our trip. We just walked up and down here. We did veer off towards the River Center Mall and things like that, but a majority of the time, we're here where the food is. There's a serape room at Cafe Ole. And then here's the sign for Lone Star Cafe. Our first night we ate over here. It's called the Original Mexican Restaurant and Bar. We sat right at one of these tables here in the water. Had delicious food. would highly recommend. And then right over here is a store called Five and Dime, and that's where we got a lot of our souvenirs for a reasonable price right here in the Riverwalk. When you first come into Five and Dime, they have 3 for $20 t-shirts. They have a lot of t-shirt racks in here. They have a souvenir penny machine, which I love. There's some nice tank tops. Some long sleeves, some crew neck sweaters. Ooh, these are soft. One thing we like is they have actual Riverwalk shirts. Like there's a Riverwalk shirt down there with a picture of the Riverwalk. This one's nice too. Sucker, I got that one. Everything's bigger in Texas. This mug looks like a flower pot. Everything's bigger in Texas for $20. Put that down before I drop that. From coffee mugs. Children's stuff. Some Texas hot sauce. A bunch of different shot glasses. Oh, a Texas shaped mug. That's cute. Very large magnet selection. And they also have Christmas ornaments. We collect a lot of different things. This is actually the ornament we bought when we were here the other night. The Riverwalk. It's very, very nice. And I believe it's only $13. Yes, $12.99. They have San Antonio. They have Texas ones. They have some wood ornaments. They have a cowboy cactus. Large variety. They also have some hats, some baseball caps. 2 for $25 or $14.99 each. I love that purple or the blue. Very nice. And then we wouldn't be in Texas if there weren't pocket knives. They have stamps. Oh, they have stamps, personalized stamps with your name on it. That's kind of cool. Keychains, necklaces, all the things. Okay. This is one I got for $34.99. One thing to mention about Riverwalk is a lot of the restaurants do not permit outside food and beverages, which makes sense. So if you have a drink that you're drinking on the Riverwalk, enjoying down here, make sure you finish it before you go inside and eat. Here's another boat tour. Constantly going up and down the river. What'd you say? So we just heard the boat tour going by, and the lady said that Bubba Gump, where Bubba Gump is located, it used to be the morgue for the hospital, which is interesting. We're up on street level now. We're gonna cross over to get to the other side of the river. Some bridges you have to come all the way up to street level, and then some like that one down there, you just go directly across the river. But it is pretty easy to go back and forth, I would say. Here's another example of a restaurant. You can come in up top on the street level, or if you go down to the Riverwalk with the stairs right here, you can also get it on the Riverwalk level. And we just overheard a lady doing one of the boat tours that this Bubba Gump Shrimp Camp right here used to be a morgue for the hospital. Here's another place where you can get on the Go Rio riverboat cruises. It looks like they have a Riverwalk Fun Pass. I'm not sure what that is. That's pretty cool. Good morning. It's beautiful down here in the morning. And there are also quite a few bridges for you to get over to the other side of the river too. Thank you. The coolest tables here. Got the fish and the tigers and the lions. They have a cool new cup we got. San Antonio, very nice. Very excited to be here. And at our hotel they had a book. So if you get a adult entree, you get a free appetizer or a kids meal. So we're sharing an appetizer and we're sharing an adult entree. And then we're also signing up to be Landry's members because everywhere you go, you get points, and the points can turn into money off, and these are all the places we go all the time anyway, so might as well sign up. Alright, for our free appetizer, we ordered cheese curds. Disclaimer, there's a lot more here, but I just forgot to take a video. And then we just got our entree. We got the bourbon grilled meatloaf. It's delicious. Doesn't matter how old you are, this place is so cool. Its animatronics are awesome. So we were seated up on the 3rd level. They also have a 2nd level in here. Got a tiger. The 3rd level is the coolest, I think. We have a bar down here with a fish tank. And they have a press penny machine and a gift shop. Welcome to the Rainforest. Rainforest Cafe right here on the Riverwalk, San Antonio. Right on the river.